Hear it? Oh man, I turned the video right off when he did that. What's he doing? He's calling to me. Where is the man? I only see the donkey. What man?
He's in there.
Oh.
The cowboy hat. Can I see?
If you can. Don't get into the road. Oh, they're going in though, Giddy. Come over here. We can't see from here. Come back. It's time to feed the Giddy. It's so pretty out here. Eat your nutritious cheese balls and Lucky Charm marshmallows. I brought them just for you. So you would eat something on your picnic. It's highly nutritious. Where are you going? Come back. We have to finish the picnic. Well, we have to finish the picnic. Meanwhile, Penelope's concerned about the earth. What? What are you doing?
It's not coming out.
You're learning magic. What? Blow it off. I mean, like blow and... yeah. Well, not that hard. You missed it. Nellie threw her sandwich on the floor. It was her magic trick. That's okay. It's good for your body.
What? I'll just...
It's like they always say, dirt, it does a body good.
I'll just eat the middle where there's no dirt. Oh.
I'm sorry. I didn't bring one for Giddy today, so there's only two.
You're trying to catch me, Lenny. And I'm trying to move.
You cannot put sanitizer. Don't do that. Just eat it. It's probably fine. I'll blow it off. I'll blow the dirt off. Oh, there is a lot of dirt on it. Here, just eat the top part.
But I don't like the top part.
Hold on. Why is this bread so porous? You might have a...
I'll just go away.
No, actually it's fine. Here. Here, this half is fine. Just a second.
On the ground.